Hey guys, today we are looking at the Honor Band 4 Running Edition, which I got it just today, and this is mainly meant for those who are into sports and running. So let's do the unboxing and have a quick look at it. So please like this video guys and also subscribe. Let's begin the video. So before you ask me, again I got it from AliExpress and I didn't have to pay any customs, and it took about 15 days to deliver this product. So the packaging was also pretty good, and these are the contents that you get in the box. This is the shoe buckle. Actually you can wear this band both on the wrist and on the foot. So this basically is meant for attaching to the shoe for more running data and sports data. The manual came in Chinese, so that was a bit disappointing. There is no English manual available on this. And this is the USB connector, and there is no cable. All you have to do is just hook the band onto this USB connector and just plug it onto your USB power source like laptop, and that's pretty much easy and very convenient. So this is the strap. There are a lot of colors, but I got this one, and this is the main band or the core, and you can see there are two connectors on top, and on the bottom, interestingly, there are no sensors, as you can see, and on front you will see this touch button for interacting with the navigation and all. So there is no touchscreen here on this band. It can show you time, steps, distance, calories burned, and etc. So what is so special about Honor Band 4 Running Edition? Well, this is specifically designed for those who are into sports and running. It actually has the 6-axis sensor, which is not really found in almost all the other bands, and this basically has both gyro and accelerometer, so it can basically count all of these information, which is very relevant to the sports people. Personally, I am not into sports, and honestly I have no idea about all those things, but the company claims that it can support up to 7 types of workout or the activities, which is really unique in this particular running edition. I'll leave a link to this page for this official information, so you can check it out in the description. So moving on to the pairing, again a lot of people ask me how to pair or how to get the English language and all that. So download the Huawei Health app and just go ahead and you can see this warning message. You need to update this, and once you update it, you will find the Honor Band 4 or even the 4 Running Edition in the list. Otherwise you don't get to see that, as you can see. So once it is updated, after that just close the app and then freshly open the app once it is completely updated. So as you can see, I closed the app and opened it, and now you can see that the Honor Band 4 Running Edition is mentioned in the list. Now all you need to do is pair it, and also you need to enable the location and also the Bluetooth for pairing. So you can see it is detected, and once that is done, just click OK, and here you will get a vibration, and as you can see here, all you need to do is tap it, and that's it, the pairing is finished. But as soon as I paired it and I got an update, so I updated it, and it took about 10 to 15 minutes to update the band. It can also show you notifications for calls and SMS, and also from other apps. You need to enable that in the app. So this is just paired, so there is no data, but you can basically manage your band from the app as well, just like the Honor Band 4. I hardly got a couple of hours to play with it, so I can't really talk much about this right now. So I'll be making more videos on this. Please comment down below asking questions if you have any questions, and also suggestions about what I should cover. And guys, please like this video and also stay subscribed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.